What's going on? Michael Petty here. So in this video, I'm going to pretty much be targeting men. Men is the main people who look at my information anyway, few females, but I'm targeting the men in this particular video. And I want to talk about positioning yourself, okay, as a better provider, putting yourself in a higher class of men in the financial area. 16% of men make a six-figure income. 16%. And to hit the range of 300,000 and up, it's even lower. It's like 3%. Okay. So we're going to focus on that 16%. That means the rest of us are at a middle class and less. The average man make about $50,000 a year. The average working class, right? So even if you make $50,000 a year, and in a company that we promote, we can earn up to $2,000 in one sale. That's one commission. And if you do one of those a week, you're at a six-figure income. Okay. If you do two of those a month, that's $50,000 a year. So if you earn $50,000 a year and you make two sales of $2,000, that's going to put you at a six-figure income, place you in that 16% of men. That's going to give you more options, right? That's going to give you a particular lifestyle that most men won't be able to live. But in order to reach that, you have to put in action. You have to make the decision to say, I'm going to do it. I'm going to make it work. Okay. You have to find those other men that's saying, I want that same thing, so they can take action with you. So through the link down in the description, when you click that link, you're going to be brought to this page. Okay. In this company, we can make up to $2,000 per sale. If you're in affiliate marketing, online marketing, make money online, anytime you join a particular company, they tell you you need to get personal development to build yourself up, find yourself a mentor, right? You need training, okay? The product we promote is online marketing training. That is the product that we sell. That's the training. It's courses, right? Personal development courses, okay? Courses that's around mentoring. Plus you get mentoring from our team, okay? We have team bonuses. We have team training. We have the information that can help you win. This company has a team that when you drive traffic to your lead capture page, the people go through your lead capture page, go through your information that you have through your emails, and then they go through the video sales letter. After they see all that information, there's a team that prospects can call, and that team will answer your prospects' questions, make the sale for you, and send you the commissions. Send you 80% of the commission. We make 100% the commission when we close our own sales. If you sell a G2000 level, you make a $2,000 commission. Using the closing team to make a $2,000 sale, you earn $1,600. And if you can continue to run traffic and continue to put the closing sales team to work, the way this system is set up, you have to focus on marketing, right? Let's say you don't really want to talk to your prospects maybe after they joining. You want to focus on just driving as much traffic as you can, letting the closing team close your sales, and you collect the commission, right? You can do that. Or if you like me, you want to close your own sales if you want to just focus on marketing and don't want to talk to prospects. So here's a strategy that I'm going to do for my teammates, right? You decide to partner with me at the G1000 or G2000 that position you to make a $1,000 commission or a $2,000 commission. Actually, this strategy I'm about to share with you right now, even if you come in at the lowest level, I use this strategy. At G1000, G2000, when you see the presentation, you will see why I put the first member in for you, okay? And you're going to get added to our team private chat. That's only for G1000 and G2000 members, right? That's ongoing support, that's training, that's what we're doing right now to get results. But at any level, you're going to get my one-on-one bonus training. You're going to get a mega swap file, a copy and paste file, 3-generation bonus training. I'm going to run traffic to your link for you, right? Depending on what level you come in. Come at the lower level, you get less traffic. Come at the highest level, you're going to get more traffic. So let me give you an example of what I mean. When you click the link down in the description, you're going to be brought to this page here. Okay, enter your name and email address, and you can be brought to the next page, which is a presentation of the company that we're promoting. This video is I'm sharing a strategy of how we're going to help you put money in your pocket fast, right? And these are the team bonuses you get to partner with me, the copy and paste file, one-on-one training, Microsoft File, 3 generational bonus training. I'll purchase traffic to your link. You get added to the team private chat, and I put the first member in for you. Now, the strategy we're going to use to put money in your pocket fast, I'm going to use a traffic source that I use personally, okay, for demonstration purposes. This traffic source has a huge list of people, of opportunity seekers looking for a business, okay? So I'm going to pick a person for demonstrational purposes, okay? Let's say you come in at the G1000. At the G1000, what I'm going to do is purchase 500 clicks to your link, okay? That's going to give you a number of leads. These people are going to go to your lead capture page. So when I mean your link, you're going to go to your lead capture page. Give me the link of the capture page that you choose. I'm going to run the traffic to that link, which is going to be your link. Okay, this system also comes with the email autoresponder that does the follow-up for you. Okay, also has the video sales letter. So I'm going to run the traffic. The system collects the name and email address. The system does the email marketing, and the system does the telling. Okay, what I suggest you do, right, once you sign up and you get on and you get inside, I highly suggest you creating a bridge page. A bridge page simply introducing yourself, because people join people. People want to know who is sharing this with me, who am I getting, who am I joining, what am I going to get, what's the bonuses, and every bonus that I'm giving you, you can share as well. So what's the bonuses, what's the benefits, right? Why am I joining you? In the bridge page, you simply introduce yourself. Hey, how you doing? My name is Michael Petty out of Bethlehem, Georgia. Came into online business. I want to become a better provider for my family. You know, and give them a more of a lifestyle that I know just working a job alone is not going to do it for me. So that's why I started this business, whatever reason you have. Okay. And you also want to let them know, thank you for coming through and checking out this information. Make sure you go to your email address and confirm your email address so you can get this information, because they don't confirm, they won't get this information. So confirm the email address. So they confirm their email address. The autoresponder campaign goes out on your behalf. Okay, bringing them back to the video sales letter that's going to do the selling for you, right? And this system comes with the call team. Your prospects will call the number, right? The call team will answer the prospects' questions, close the sale for you, and send you 80% of the commission. We do make 100% commission to any payment processor we choose: PayPal, Cash App, cash, debit, credit, however you want to get paid. But using a call center, you're gonna make 80%. As an example, at the G1000 sale, close the sale yourself. That's $1,000 in direct instant commission, meaning you make a sale, the money's in your pocket or in your PayPal, wherever you send it to. It's immediate income. Use a closing team to close your sales. You're gonna make $800 because you get paid 80%. So to run through, you give me your link. I'm gonna buy the traffic for you. The system collects the name and email address. The system does the alt email marketing. The system does the presentation. The Exodus closing team will close the sales, and you earn a commission. But be sure to create that bridge page, introduce yourself, and giving your story. Now, is that definitely going to help you make money? No guarantees, no promises. You may make sales, you may not make sales. Because in this company, because in all reality, people join people they know, like, and trust. So even if you take this particular video, share it with your prospects, right? You can take my video, you can edit it, you can put your links on YouTube, start your own channel. You can create pages with this video on it, you know, with your picture below it, so they know it's you that's actually sharing information. They know it's you that they're joining, right? They can see how they can see how in the beginning they can use a system like this where they can make money from it until they develop their own skill set to put themselves up front. And they can develop that type of skill set by the teachings inside of the company we promote. This company is online marketing, personal development, mentoring, and resources, right? If you have not noticed, anytime you join a particular company, they tell you get personal development. They tell you to get training. They tell you to build yourself up. Okay, tell you it's good to find a mentor. Well, this company, that's the basis behind the company itself. So why not get paid doing something leaders are going to tell you to do anyway, right? This is why I love this particular company. Come with everything you need: lead capture pages, autoresponder, sales campaign, closing team, You can't, the only way with this company you can really lose if you're not putting in the action, if you're not putting in the work, if you're not getting out to people. Give value. Okay, you can't just sell. Why should a person join you over everybody else? That's what people are looking for. People are sponsor shopping. Why should I join you particularly? What are you going to help me with? Right? That's why I'm giving you team bonuses, so you can go and you can go off and you can say, listen, these are the team bonuses you're going to get from me, because I'm giving you the team bonuses. Therefore, you can take those team bonuses and give it to your team too. So you have something of value to offer. You have that to offer when you make the decision to partner with us. If you're saying to yourself, it'd be awesome to be at the top 16% of men, right? Making a six-figure income, okay? One sale a week, okay? Let's say you're making money. How much extra do you need to make that six-figure income, to put yourselves in that higher caliber, right? Coming at that level, okay? Now understand, the lowest level we have is $149. You can get started at $149 and make over and over again $100 commissions. Stack those until you are all the way at the $2,000 commission. The max we pay with this company is $23.99. So if you come in at the G1000, if you come in at the lower level for $149, as you upgrade from level to level, you're only going to pay the difference. Meaning, you at 100, let's say you want to upgrade to 500. You don't owe the whole 500. You only owe the difference, which is 400 in the admin fee and in the product package. So the max you're going to pay is $23.99. That's the max. And you're in position to earn $2,000 direct commission. You can make more, right? Based on your work ethic, right? You can make more than one sale a week. You can make a sale a month. There's no guarantees and no promises. Okay, are you going to go through the training to build yourself up? Are you going to give value? No one really knows. Only you know what you can do. You know what you're capable of. You know what I'm saying? You got people who say, I may not make my money back. So in a sense, they make no money because they're afraid of making no money, right? Like me, I made the decision I'm going to make it work. So with that, I've made sales. Right? We have great ownership in this company, keep everything updated. We got great support. As an example, I had an issue getting one person started, so I sent a ticket in the back office. Well, the person over support reached out to me personally, helped me get the person going. Now that person is in position to earn unlimited commissions to any payment processor that they choose, PayPal, Cash App, right? As soon as they make a sale, the money is in their pocket. They can go spend it. That's what I love about 100% commission-based products. I don't have to wait for my money. Just like you have other systems where there's a trial period, right? That person can make the decision and not take the trial. Or there's a monthly fee. There's somebody who say, I don't want to pay monthly. Okay, there's no monthly fees with this. You pay one time from level to level. Once you're all in at the $23.99, no more payments. You make unlimited commissions. Okay, there's no falling off. The retention is low because you already got paid. So if a person decides to come in and they quit, it doesn't affect your income at all because you already have the money in your pocket. But if you are the type of person that wants to build a residual income, I also have that inside the information when you enter your name and email address. And also understand this. You want to come in at the highest level possible because in this particular company, 90% of people come in at the G1000, G2000. So if you make the decision to come in at the $100 level and you make a G1000 sale, you're going to get your $100 still, right? But the $900 is going to pass up to the next available person. So if you at that level of G1000, earn $1,000 commission, someone joins your team at the G500, they make a $1,000 sale. They're going to get 500 and then you're going to make the other 500 because that person is not qualified at that level. So in a sense, we have direct income and we also have passive income. But it's all about getting in position to make that life-changing income, right? It's all about positioning yourself, building your skill set, get the training inside this to build yourself up. And if you would like to, make that six-figure income and reach the 16% of men. Provide a lifestyle for your family. Provide that lifestyle for yourself. If you have a job, you can get free from your job. If you have a job, you want to keep a job. Make an additional six figures or reach the six figures in a side hustle. Okay, make $50,000 in your job. Make $50,000 in a side hustle using the strategy I just shared with you. So to get more information, just take out the strategy even more. So I'll go into a little detail on the second video after you fill out the name and email address on this page. The link is down in the description. My name is Michael Petty, and I'll talk to you soon.